I'm back again today. My name is Mrs. Thornton, and I have Miss Laura Smith with me. We're from the Blackwell Preschool Center. So, this is day 2 of week 10 with one to one correspondence. Today, I'm going to read a book called Counting Ovejas. Counting Ovejas. And this book was written by Sarah Weeks, and the pictures are drawn by David Diaz. Counting Ovejas. And I will be reading in Spanish and English. Counting Ovejas. Buenos noches. Good night. Tick, 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 tick. The clock is ticking. Shh. The clock is ticking. Tick, 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 tick. Una oveja blanca, one white sheep. Adios, oveja blanca. Goodbye, white sheep. Dos ovejas marrones, two brown sheep. One, two. Adios, ovejas marrones. Goodbye, brown sheep. Tres ovejas negras, three black sheep. One, two, three. Adios, ovejas negras. Goodbye, black sheep. Cuatro ovejas rosas, four pink sheep. One, two, three, four. Adios, ovejas rosas. Goodbye, pink sheep. Cinco ovejas verdes, five green sheep. One, two, three, four, five. Adios, ovejas verdes. Goodbye, green sheep. Seis ovejas rojas, six red sheep. Six red sheep. One, two, three, four, five, six. Adios, ovejas rojas, rosas. Goodbye, red sheep. Siete ovejas turquesas, seven turquoise sheep. Seven turquoise sheep. Adios, ovejas turquesas. Goodbye, turquoise sheep. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven turquoise sheep. Ocho ovejas violetas, eight violet sheep. Adios, ovejas violetas. Goodbye, violet sheep. Eight violet sheep. Purple. One, two, three, four, five, six. Did I miss? Seven, eight. Nueve ovejas azules, nine blue sheep. Adios, ovejas azules. Goodbye, blue sheep. 10 ovejas amarillas, 10 yellow sheep. Adios, ovejas amarillas. Goodbye, yellow sheep. Gracias, ovejas. Thank you, sheep. Buenas noches. Good night. Good night. She's telling all the sheep that she was counting good night. And so, our activity today for one-to-one correspondence, I decided that we would use a clock. And our children are familiar with a clock. So I just had a paper and markers and I drew a clock. And I put numbers 1 through 12 on the clock. And I also have numbers from 1 through 12. But remember, they can do small amounts of numbers. It could be numbers 1 through 5 or numbers 1 through 3, numbers 1 through 6. And they can, as they learn the numbers and their quantity, to move them on to larger numbers. So the object of this game would be to find number 1, look for 1, and match it with the number on the clock. And all they have to do is lay it on the clock. Or we could use these cubes, and they could spin the wheel on the clock, and whichever number stops that the hands stop on, they could count that amount of cubes. And also, I have a die, and they could roll the die, and whichever the number it stops on, have them to count the die, and so that's 1, 2, 3. So they can find the number 3 card and match it there, and then they can find 3 cubes, 1, 2, 3. Anything that you have in your home, they can use. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.